Hi guys, and welcome back to the rustic desert. I've been away for a while, but I have a lot of great stuff in the works that I will be sharing with you very soon. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos. You can also find me on Instagram under the Rustic Desert. So let's dive in. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the faux brick with a German schmear. The space we're going to be working on today is a cubby hole or a cubby wall right behind my bathroom toilet. The supplies you are going to need for this project are wall joint compound, liquid nails, putty knives, an air gun, and a saw. If you don't have a saw, you can always have Home Depot or Lowe's cut out your measurements. For the brick wall, I purchased this at Lowe's for $37. Now, I am in California, so things are a little bit more expensive, so you may be able to find it cheaper in your city. First, I cleared out the cubby hole and took the measurements. Russ is now going to take you through the next couple steps.
Okay, so the first thing I did is measure. Our wall measures 77.5 inches vertically. So I made two measurements on each side to make sure that I'm getting an even line, make sure an even straight line. And then just use my guide here to snap a line across it. And then once I get that cut, I measure it over horizontally 29.5 inches. And then I'll make the same style of measurements and cuts on to get the piece that we need for that spot. Okay, so I made myself a fence. They sell these things for like $50, $40 at Lowe's, but I mean, with some scrap. So basically what I do is I line up the blade on my cut, make sure they're right on the mark, and then I line up the fence, and then make sure it's in place. And then still straight. And make sure not to turn it like that. The nice thing about this project is that it doesn't have to be precise, because you are using the joint compound on it, and it hides a lot of mistakes. So it's pretty forgiving.
Now that it's all cut out, we are ready to start putting the liquid nails on the back of the board, and then we are going to push it up against the wall. Since this is a cubby hole, it was pretty easy for us just to push this board in the middle of, or on the wall in the middle of this cubby hole. If you're doing a bigger wall, it may take up 2 people to do it, but my husband was able to do this one on his own. Afterwards, we made sure everything was pushed down, and then we took our nail gun, and along the edges, just for extra security, we went ahead and included some nails. Next, we're going to start putting the joint compound, or German schmear as people call it, onto the fake brick. Forgive me, I'm going to try to do this one-handed as I hold the phone to show you what I'm doing. It's a pretty easy process and goes by really fast. It just all depends on how thick you want the compound on the wall. Make sure you have a damp rag ready to cut into the edges if you get any on the wall or floor. This is a side note. What I've learned with doing this project is when the compound dries, it turns a powdery white, as you can see at the bottom. So the top half is going to end up matching the bottom half. So if you want it to be lighter, just use a very little bit of the compound. And our project is complete. This is a pretty easy project that really anybody can do. And like I said, if you need any help with the cutting, Lowe's or Home Depot can always do that. The total cost of this project was $37 for the brick, and then $7 for that lifetime supply of compound that I now have. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you can also find me on Instagram.